Hey, what's up guys, I'm from BSc Tech. In today's video we will create a PowerPoint presentation with the help of ChatGPT. So I have this script and I want ChatGPT to create a slideshow based on 6 sheets. So let's put this into action and let's allow ChatGPT to do the job. So it's writing the code. So once that is completed we will move on to the next step. You can basically write anything, but this is just a VBA code to generate PowerPoint presentation with 6 slides, and each of the slide will provide detail about these phases and the milestone and the history of AI. So now we need to select this from this black box just to keep it simple, and we have to open PowerPoint. And by the way, this is Microsoft Office 2013. In a different Microsoft Office environment it will be different. So let's say AI presentation. Okay, there you go. Now if you want to do this from the start, you have to create a new one. Let's call it presentation and click on create. So this is the code which has already been put inside. Let's create that again, copy and paste, and that's a run button or F5. There you go. If we run F5, then you can see on my screen the presentation is now ready. Now the next part is basically the design. Transition, you can do that quickly based on the fact that you have to use it. Let's say let's pick this one. Let's pick this one, or let's choose this one. Let's place this presentation. So this is that easy, guys. You can create a PowerPoint presentation within minutes without wasting time, and that can also lead towards a faster success rate if you are into education sector or you are employed and you want to create a PowerPoint presentation in minutes. Like this video, thumbs up, like, subscribe and share, and I'll see you soon with another video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.